In this Hanon tutorial, we'll be having a look at the D Melodic Minor Scale, the relative of F major, but the melodic mode. And as we know about the melodic, when we are playing ascending, we are going to raise both the 6th and the 7th degrees. But when we are descending, we will be lowering both the 6th and the 7th degrees back to their natural states. Meaning that for this scale in particular, when we are going up, we will be raising the 6th, which is B flat, to B natural. And then we will be raising C, which will be C sharp, which is the 7th. And when we come back down, we will be lowering that 7th to C natural and lowering the raised B flat back to B flat. Does that make sense? Right. Let's see how this works one octave and separately. Starting on D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, raising, B natural, C sharp. When we come back down, lowering C sharp to C and lowering B to B flat. Now, if you are a visual thinker like I am, you'll notice that we'll be doing a crisscross movement at the top. So that might help you to remember this scale pattern. For the left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Playing in hands together. Just remembering the scale pattern and the movements in the fingers. Now that we are more familiar with how the scale pattern works, which keys to raise and to lower and when, let's play this 2 octaves, hands together, starting on D. And then, of course, the more advanced version, 4 octaves, repeating twice. Starting lower, and of course then the cadence follows. As we've seen with the previous harmonic scale, the cadence will stay the same. So when we get down to D, we're going to go up to G, E, B flat and D, followed by A, F, A and D, big movement down, C sharp in the right, and finally big stretch to end off the exercise. Again, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned as we'll be doing the next scale soon.